Hi, I'm Carrie, and I live and garden in an urban area of Southern California. Eating and growing fresh food is a big part of our healthy California lifestyle. We love eating big salads straight from the garden. I have an awesome kitchen garden created using pieces from Gardener's CedarLast line. When we got to our new house, we chose a neglected grassy patch in our backyard for the garden site. The hardest and the most important step was leveling the space and removing all the roots from old trees. We ultimately moved 30 wheelbarrow loads of dirt to other areas of our yard. We made a scale map of the site and pieces from the CedarLast line. Once the layout and design were complete, we set aside a whole weekend for installation. Assembling the 5 beds and an obelisk was so easy. Holes were pre-drilled, everything was included in the kit. I ended up putting together all the components in less than 2 hours. I even put the obelisk together by myself, and it was recommended that you have 2 people, but I totally didn't need 2 people. It was super easy. Next, we installed a weed barrier over the entire old lawn area. We decided to use metal mesh under the beds because we've had a gopher problem in the area. By the end of the day, we had added an irrigation system and the soil mix. Next morning, we spread pea stone around and we were in business. We were ready to plant. I'm going to share a secret here. Seed starting is amazing. I'd started seeds before, but never like I did this season. I had decided I would take control over the process and dive in deep with the seed starting. Even bought grow lights. I ordered special seeds that were appropriate to our climate and our soil and our space limitations, and I planted them in Gardener's Supply organic seed starting mix. That became my new secret weapon. Every seed I planted in their mix just started out awesome and grew really fast and was healthy from the start. In the end, I decided good seedlings just make really good plants, and my seedlings look better and stronger than anything I'd ever seen at the nursery. I am a complete convert to starting seeds. I've ended up seed starting almost continuously. Our spring garden was full of greens for salads, kales, chards, and peas. As summer rolls around, we've shifted to cucumbers, tomatoes, squash, eggplants, melons, okra, and beans. Yes, we have a small space, but we can grow all those things. We also have perennials and flowers. Flowers will always be a part of our garden. They're beautiful to look at, and the best part is they bring in those bees, and we love those pollinating bees. I love this garden. I have a connection to every part of it. That makes me feel like our new house is really a new home.